Okay, this is for a 2008 Toyota Sienna, and basically what the problem is if only your driver door lock button works, it'll open just the driver's side door and the trunk. And if those are the only ones that work, and your passenger and two sliding doors do not unlock, but they will lock, but they will not unlock, then this is more than likely your problem. You need to replace this fuse box underneath the dash, and it takes about 2 hours, maybe less, and it's not that bad of a job. And there's a relay integrated into these fuse boxes that you can't replace. It's internal. I think it's on the circuit board, so you have to just replace the whole fuse box. And this one's actually from a 2004, the fuse box I put in, and I just installed it, and the door locks are working.